Ever opened a document and thought, I really need to make this important text stand out? Well, good news. On Microsoft Word Mobile, highlighting text is super easy, and I'll show you how in less than a minute. First, open your document in the Word Mobile app. Next, tap and hold on the text you want to highlight, then drag the selection handles to cover all the words you need. Once the text is selected, head over to the Home tab. You'll immediately see the highlight feature. Just tap on it. Now, choose the highlight color you like. You can pick from yellow, red, blue, green, and several other colors. For this example, I'm going with yellow because it's the easiest to spot. And that's it. Your selected text is now highlighted and much easier to find whenever you review your document later. Pretty simple, right? If this quick tip helped you out, make sure to save this video so you can find it again whenever you need it. And don't forget to check out my other Microsoft Word Mobile tutorials for more easy productivity tricks.